Hi, it's Taylor, and I want to talk to you today about cooking. In cooking, you learn math and chemistry, and you can learn history if you look up where the recipes come from. You learn some life skills, and probably you end up with like chocolate chip cookies at the end of the day, which is definitely a win and can be good for poetry tea time as well. So if your kids are fighting school today, why don't you put them in the kitchen? Because they're going to learn a lot there, and you won't lose. It'll just be fun. At the worst, you'll have a big ol' mess to clean up, but that's a thing to learn about also.